Ready? 5 seconds. Start. Mr. Speaker, sir, my submission was that it was our government here at that time. The Honorable Prime Minister lost no time to decide that elections should be held in Punjab. Akali Dal boycotted the elections. Elections were held no matter there was a low percentage of votes polled. Nobody was to be blamed for that. Elections changed the face of Punjab, where there was bloodshed, where people preferred to remain indoors after the sunset and during the night after election were held, peace and tranquility returned to Punjab and a popular government came into being. Next para. As a result of that, Punjab has attained its earlier glory. Ceremonies and festivals are celebrated in Punjab today, as was done earlier. The cities of Punjab have regained their grandeur and Punjab is rejuvenated now. Elections to panchayats and municipal committees were held there. A democratic setup was established. The district council and other affected bodies were constituted there. The Narasimha Rao government wants to hold elections in Kashmir after creating an atmosphere congenial for elections and install a popular government, and for this everybody's cooperation is solicited. It is true that the situation is not favorable at present, but unfavorable situation will be controlled. The situation was unfavorable in Assam, Mizoram, and in every nook and corner of the country, and the day is not far away when this government will bring the Kashmir situation under control, conduct elections there, and install a popular government. Then the slogans, etc., being raised today will die their own death. Next para. Mr. Speaker, sir, we will have to go into the details of the Charari Sharif tragedy. Since we attained independence, our policy on Kashmir has not been clear, which can be confirmed from the speeches of our different prime ministers since independence, and that is why the people of Kashmir have been in confusion. We will have to examine the reality as to how we treated the person under whose leadership Kashmir was merged in our country. Article 370 was introduced by us, but gradually we brought an end to it, and the result is that the people there became disheartened. Today, we will have to take a firm and positive step. Then, issue of Charari Sharif came before us. It should have been solved by the government. There are issues like Hazrat Bal, the Golden Temple, the Babri Masjid, and the Charari Sharif before you. Fourthly, outsiders came there, leading to exodus of 40,000 locals, and later on all the houses are damaged there. Now you can guess as to what had happened with those people. Afterwards, it is said that the election is the solution to this problem. Definitely, we also want the elections to be conducted there. But what sort of election would that be when thousands of Kashmiris are roaming in the country? Do you want that election should be conducted through 2% people only, like that in Punjab? Please do not do like that. It will be a blunder, and the situation in Kashmir will worsen further after elections. Do not be under this impression. We do want election to be conducted there, but prior to that, settle down its natives there. Bring those schemes, and after it, give the people their right to elect the popular government there. Next para. It is understood that there are only few Muslims who belong to aristocrat families. Excuse me, I am habitual of calling a spade a spade. You think that only these are sincere, but you do not pay any heed towards the public. Think of the public. Do not keep few faces with you. You are facing the results of it. If you love Kashmir, then do love the public there. The issue of Kashmir will be solved on the day you start doing so. What have you done for the public there? There is a restriction on begging by the Moha Kashmiris living in Hyderabad in thousands, and if they do so, the police arrest them. The children are going from door to door in engineering colleges and medical colleges. But if I say so, you will think that I am spreading communalism. But it is a fact, and keeping it into consideration, you can solve this issue. A number of our minister know about it. Today, a Muslim youth do not get admission anywhere. If young want, then I have their list with me. What can a man do under disappointment? If he wants to study, he cannot do so. And if he wanted of resort to begging, he cannot do so. Then what he should do? When a man becomes fed up, there is a saying, scarcity gives way to rift. We should think about the reality. Instead of doubling anyone, we should think over the reality and we should think towards solving the problem. Stop.